Okay, today guys, I'm going to talk to you about why Koh Phi Phi Island is the ultimate island experience. Today I'm heading up to the viewpoint at the top of Koh Phi Phi. We're going to talk about the nightlife, my first impressions here. I'm going to show you Maya Bay and all that stuff as well. So stay tuned, let's get into it. We're just heading up to this viewpoint now and it is steep going up here. I don't know if you can see how steep it is on the camera, but it is steep. It's about half an hour to get to the top of the mountain. We're just walking through all this jungle and stuff on the way. Going up to the top of this viewpoint, I'm going to get the drone out, showing you guys a good view of Koh Phi Phi and what it looks like from up here at the top of this viewpoint. So this video is going to be a combination of new footage, and I'm also going to be using the footage from my other videos. So if you've already seen those videos already, stick around because there's going to be some new stuff also in this video that you haven't seen yet in Koh Phi Phi. From Maya Bay, the nightlife, and my first impressions when arriving here. I hope this is the right way because I'm going off the beaten path here. There's a sign up there, same viewpoint. Good job I spotted that. So to start this video off, we're going to backtrack to when I arrived at this island a few days ago, and I'm going to show you my first impressions of this island, show me arriving into the island by ferry, and share with you my thoughts when I first arrived here. So stay tuned for this first section of the video where I'll give you my first impressions of Koh Phi Phi. And we're heading for Phi Phi Island. In this video, I'm going to be giving you my first impressions of Phi Phi Island, and I'm going to be telling you why I was wrong about Koh Phi Phi. And also, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the history of this island. So stay tuned and let's talk about it. Trees here are massive. Okay, we've just arrived in Koh Phi Phi. It's pretty cool here, to be fair. It's not like any other island I've been to before. Let's try and find the room. I don't think there's any taxis or cars on this island that I can see anyway. The only transportation on this island is boat. We're at the bungalow now. Got a nice little cheap bungalow, aircon, TV on the beach. What more could you ask for? Agenda for the day: we're going to go out, we're going to explore, we're going to get some food, and we're going to see what's on this island. First impressions of Koh Phi Phi, pretty good to be fair, not going to lie. I'm sort of like in a bay of mountain, surrounded by beach, water. I haven't been to an island like this before. Looks pretty good. Okay, so I've had a little walk around the island. It's not actually what I expected. It's actually quite westernised and commercial. There's a McDonald's, Burger King, there's even a GoPro shop, which I thought was crazy. For such a small island, I put it off the grid sort of thing. Complete opposite, to be honest. I've had a look around for some food. I've been around the whole town. I've just decided to come to this place over here, Phi Phi Pad Thai. She's going to do me a pad krao, and yeah, we'll try it out. 8 out of 10. It's full of Westerners. More Western people here than Thai. From the outside, this place looks beautiful. Barbados on the outside, very touristy. Benidorm on the inside, bit of a shanty, to be honest. Better than Krabi though. Just having a walk through the town now. Don't really know what to make of this place, to be honest. It's like half commercial, half rural. I mean, it looks cool, but not what I expected. Now, there are parts of Koh Phi Phi that do look a bit run down. Now, if you didn't actually know, Koh Phi Phi was hit with a mega tsunami back in 2004, and it went 35 meters high, which is probably about half the size of that mountain. I didn't actually know this until recently. So all the parts of Koh Phi Phi that do look a bit run down, there's a good reason why. To my knowledge, at the moment, the only thing to do is either start drinking or get on a boat. I don't fancy doing either at the moment, to be honest. I need to do some more exploring. So I've just asked these people that do the boat tours, how much is it to get to Maya Bay? Told me it's 1,500 baht, which is a ridiculous price, to be honest. But they can charge what they want here, because when you're here, you have to pay if you want to go. But we're not going to take the first offer. We're going to have a look around. We're going to try some other places and try and find it a bit cheaper. We've already got it down to 850, 650 baht cheaper. Pretty good. Let's try and get it even cheaper. So easy to get lost here. Everywhere looks the same. See if they can do it any cheaper.
And then after that, we're gonna go here. It's 4 hours, good time.
Okay, that lady's done it cheaper again by 50 baht. So we've gone from 1,500 to 800, so it's not too bad. Not going to book it just yet. I've only just got here. I'm heading back to the room now because I've got some videos to edit. I'll see you on the other side. This viewpoint is not for the faint-hearted. It's steep. It's about half an hour long. No steps, just rocks and boulders. I reckon we're about a third of the way up now, so let's keep moving. We've got to go up that way. Keep climbing. I'm glad I didn't come here a few hours ago when it was hot. That would have been pretty horrible. I think I'm nearly at the top, probably about 2/3 of the way. Just come across this bar, which is like a rest stop, people, on the way up the hill. I'll show you the view. I'm not actually at the top just yet, but I'm just relaxing here 5 minutes. I'll show you around this place because it's pretty cool. And the guys have just told me that today, it looks like there's going to be a sunset, which is great. Perfect day, because every other day I've been here, there's not been one. This place I'm at now is actually really cool. They only opened this place a few days ago. They've set up like a halfway point from here to the top of the viewpoint at the top of Koh Phi Phi. This place is chilling. You get the best views of the whole island and it's pure paradise. There's nobody else here other than me. And the two guys here are really nice and friendly too. It's actually so chill up here. Okay, we're actually gonna head up to the viewpoint first because the sun's not actually setting for another hour. So we're gonna go up there, check it out, see what it looks like, and then we're gonna come back here, use the drone, and check out this sunset. So in this next part of the video, I'm gonna be showing you the Koh Phi Phi nightlife experience. We get up to all sorts in this video, so stay tuned, check it out. There's fire dancers, there's buckets, all the things you would expect from island nightlife. So check out this next part of the video where I'm gonna show you the Koh Phi Phi nightlife experience. Quite a wild night so far in Koh Phi Phi. We've had a walk along the beach. We've drank how many buckets? We've been in the fire show. We've got up to all sorts tonight. We're currently at the Phi Phi pool party. We're gonna have a walk through this madness now. Okay, there's bars all the way down this beach. We're gonna have a walk down, see what's happening. Okay, we're back at the house tonight. We've just met Lando. We're gonna have some tequila shots and get... Don't mess with her. It's been quite a wild ride so far in Koh Phi Phi. It's only my first day, but I am having a great time. Welcome to Phi Phi Island.
This is my second time in Thailand and I love Thailand. It's my favorite place in the world. If you haven't been here, come here. Everything's cheap, the Thai people are so nice and you're always safe and you meet people like my boy. Unreal. Coolest guy ever.
Wise words from Lando. Okay, we're out with Connor and Brace now. We're going to go find the crew and see what's happening. Absolute madness. I'm sweating them buckets back out now. Just left Bob's Bar. We're heading up the hill now. That Bob's Bar is a really nice place to go to the viewpoint. If you're coming to Koh Phi Phi and you want somewhere to chill with a beer and have a look at all the great views that Koh Phi Phi has to offer, definitely come to Bob's Bar and check it out. Okay, so we're nearly at the viewpoint now. There's quite a few people here already. Let's go have a look. There's actually so many people. Okay guys, we're at the top of Koh Phi Phi, we're at the viewpoint, and I can't believe how many people are actually up here. It's crazy. Okay, we've just flew the drone up here and the views are insane. I hope you enjoyed that part of the video. Next, we're gonna go check out Mayhem Bay and see everything that this place has to offer and see if it's worth the hype as well. So let's check it out and see what you think. Okay guys, so today we are checking out Mayhem Bay, the beach. Going by boat, we're going from Koh Phi Phi. We're gonna go see if this place is worth the hype. Let's check it out. We're now getting on this boat to go to Mayhem Bay. Okay, so we are currently just in this little lagoon bit here. These guys have been doing some snorkeling. Water is crystal clear, pretty nice to be fair. We're gonna go head over to the beach soon and check that out. We have just arrived at Mayhem Bay. They've actually changed this recently. A few years ago, you used to get in a boat, go right up to the bay, right on the beach. But because of all the ecosystem being damaged, they've actually changed it now. So you walk through this national park, saves the beach, saves the water, saves everything getting ruined. There is a lot of people here. Okay, we have just arrived at Mayhem Bay. Everyone here is just fighting to get the best photo. It's like paparazzi. Let's have a walk down to the beach and see what the beach is like. It's absolutely packed. This sand is some of the nicest sand I've ever stood on. It's like powder. And yeah, this place is great. It's got to be one of the most beautiful places in the world. It's absolutely stunning. And yeah, I've actually wanted to come here for quite a long time. This right here was where they filmed the movie, The Beach. Great movie. If you haven't seen it, watch it. If there was no one here, this would be amazing. An absolute paradise. Apart from just everyone fighting to get the best photo. So yeah, is this place worth the hype? Probably is, yeah. If you like nice beaches, it's one of the best beaches in the world. It's a bit expensive to get in here, it's worth it. Once in a lifetime. Boom in here, there's a lot of tourists. You can see why though, because it's absolutely stunning. If you've never come here, come once, check it out, put it on your bucket list. The sea is crystal clear, probably the clearest water I've ever seen. Pretty amazing. Got no chance of using the drone here. Marshals everywhere. They don't even let people stand in the water. Not allowed to swim here, not allowed to use a drone, not allowed to do a lot of stuff. Everyone is just fighting to get the best photo. And to be honest, I can't blame them because look at the place. It's just a constant stream. Okay, so we're heading back now. We're getting out of Mayhem Bay. You only get 1 hour here, unfortunately. Spend the whole day here, spend your life here. It's amazing. There's no shops here, no restaurants, nothing like that. But you don't really want any of that, to be honest. That's kind of what makes it great. Okay, I just want to add a few things to this video while it's still fresh in my head. Years ago, you could go to this Mayhem Bay and you could spend a day there. It was relaxed, you could enjoy yourself and not be rushed around. Before, you could swim there, you could spend a day there, you could have a good time. But now, it's just one big rush, on the boat, off the boat, streams of people going in and out just to take one photo, which is a shame. So for me, that just takes away all the magic from the place. So, but yeah, that's the way it is. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that day at Mayhem Bay as much as I did. It's great being there, it looks beautiful. Go see it, go check it out. Koh Phi Phi is an amazing place and I'm going to be sad to leave here tomorrow. I've had a real good time here and I don't think there's anywhere like this place in the world. Tomorrow we are going to Phuket, so that should be fun, but I am going to miss Koh Phi Phi.